right now my mom is making almuerzo for us. Hi, mommy. Let me show you. So apparently last night's baile was really lit because Jenny still got her makeup on.
Yes, it was lit. I went to sleep like that.
Salsa that my mom made de molcajete. Potatoes, frijoles, and tortillas hechas a mano. And queso fresco. Is it recording? Oh yeah. Right now we are heading to
Smorgasburg, Coachella Road. Just kidding.
We're heading to a feast in our neighborhood. And we're gonna have chamoyadas.
Betsy's vlogging.
And then that's Patsy. If you guys didn't know, this is my sister Patsy.
Betsy, who didn't know?
Everyone doesn't know. Now they know. This is
I'm
Patsy.
her daddy.
And then back there is Jenny and Aurelio. Look who I just bumped into.
Tell us.
You dance? This is my cousin Grisel. Say hi. Hi.
So dry.
Suave, suave. Con pique para que no daña.
Vinieron todos para oírme guarachar, pero como soy ustedes, y el que no cante es porque tiene paz, correcto. Y el coro dice, la cucaracha que suelta en el colchón.
How's your chamoyada?
It's amazing.
Look, I was about to bite the spoon. What? So good. How's your chamoyada? It's a video. Your tongue. Stick out your tongue. What did you get?
Tostada de tinga. I got a Coca-Cola.
Aurelio? A what?
Chingarrón preparado.
So we are on our way back home from the feast. It was so good.
It was really good. It was really nice. A lot of good music.
We ran into a lot of people that we know.
Yes.
So right now we are on our way to Coney Island Beach again because my mom is very dedicated to her workout. ¿Verdad, mami? But today we have a little addition to the workout crew. And it's Cleo. Hi, Cleo. Cleo. Oh, mi bebecita. Someone's really excited to go to the beach for the first time. Oh. Bien emocionada, mi Cleo. ¿Por dónde vamos a entrar? Ay, vámonos para allá, ¿no?
Por aquí, derecho, para aquí.
Cleo is afraid to walk on the vertical. On the vertical part of the boardwalk. She only likes this one.
Ven, Cleo.
No, baby.
Se marea. Vente, baby. Oh, pero también aquí. ¿Ves?
Okay, I'll carry you. Come on. I'll carry you. Vamos a ver, mira, la reacción de Cleo cuando pise la arena. Uh-oh. What is this? Come on. So, I'm so happy for my Cleo because she seems to really like the beach. I can't wait to bring the other dogs. My mom. Oh my God, Cleo, you're running without anyone holding you, baby. Go. Go, go, go. Llámala, llámala. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Oh, my cutie, my cutie. Okay. Here is Cleo's water bag. Gonna put it on the floor. And then her water. Her water is right here. Right here. He was really thirsty. So I'm about to look at the stars. I have to sit down on the floor. We're gonna look up at the stars. Me and Cleo and my mom too. Alright, ready? Let's see if you can see them on the camera. Oh my God, so pretty. Can you see them? I don't think so. There's one over there. I don't think you can see them on the camera. Me and Cleo are currently laying down on the floor trying to look at the stars.
¿Ya las filmaste?
Pero no salen en la cámara. Mira esa estrella, esa estrella.
Tienes que zoom.
Pero no se ve.
Zoom.
Hasta con zoom no se ve. Oh, you can look at the star right there. I zoomed it in. You can see the star. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. So my mom is finally done with her workout. Cleo is done with her workout. And we are gonna head back home. Oh, we're going through the sand. So we are gonna head to the car now. And then we're gonna go home and call it a day. Obviously, because it's nighttime and it's time to go to sleep. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? You can have it. You.
Cleo?
Baby, you patita.